Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to correct errors on your Equifax credit report. First, you need to obtain a copy of your Equifax credit report. You can do this by creating a free My Equifax account. Once you have your report, review it carefully for any inaccuracies. This could be anything from a wrong address to an account that doesn't belong to you. If you find an error, you have the right to dispute it. The fastest way to do this is online through your My Equifax account. Go to the Dispute Center and follow the steps to file a dispute. You will need to provide the correct information and any supporting documents you have. For example, a corrected name, a letter from a lender, or a police report for identity theft. You can also file a dispute by mail. Equifax provides a dispute form on their website that you can download and print. Fill out the form, attach copies of your supporting documents, and mail it to the address provided. After you submit your dispute, Equifax will investigate the item. They will contact the company that provided the information to verify its accuracy. The investigation typically takes around 30 days. Once the investigation is complete, Equifax will notify you of the results in writing. If the information is found to be inaccurate, it will be corrected or removed from your report. If the information is verified as correct but you still disagree, you have the right to add a brief statement to your report explaining your side of the story. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.